Oops, I didn't notice you're already here. We are preparing everything for you on our Achema booth. This, for example, is our Unity 300 blister line. But here comes already our expert Ralf Augenstein. He's the sales director for our brands Noack and Siebler, and he can tell you a little more about our blister line, way better than I can. Hey Ralf, welcome.
Hi Jutta, thank you. Of course, this is our rotary sealing blister line with continuous motion corner. It's named Unity 300. What makes this line so special is not only the CO2 neutral manufacturing, but also that it comes with a 3 years warranty and extremely low operational costs. And because sustainability is something we take really serious, we offer a paper blister package to run sustainable paper foil. But these are not all the highlights of this machine. If you want to know more, come and see it on our booth at Achema 2022.
If you want to learn more about this line, come and visit us at Achema 2022 in Hall 3.0, booth B49.